everybody, it's your girl Glenda, and we are back for another video. Now, if you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to click all so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. Now, on today's video, we are making barbecue meatballs. Why? Because it's New Year's Eve. We got a bunch of finger foods going on, but first we're gonna get through these meatballs. I have right here beef and pork meatballs, home style. All right, I got 2 bags of these meatballs, and what we're gonna do, and I've got my little trusty crock pot over here, ready to go. Pioneer Woman. It's on a high heat, and it says for 4 hours, but I'm gonna bring it down to, let me see the hours. This is what I press hours. To just 2 hours. All right, because we're gonna put this in the crock pot. That's what they look like, and they smell absolutely delicious. All right, so we just gonna pour these in. This is a very quick, simple recipe, and it's almost like a set it and forget it type of dish. Okay, you just put your meatballs in there. We're gonna throw in some barbecue sauce and some grape jelly. That's the secret, the grape jelly. I know you've probably seen it on a few other channels where they use the grape jelly. I got 2 bags of this. I'm wondering, I don't think I'm gonna do, I guess I'm talking to myself. Yeah. Oh, you know what? We could have made some deviled eggs. I might make some deviled eggs. I think that's good enough. So I did about a bag and 3/4, and these bags are 35 ounces a piece, so they're just a little over 2 pounds. And we will just freeze the rest to do with something else. Who knows? All right. So all we gotta do here is take some of our good old sweet baby rays. All right. This one's been used. I got about 2/3, I guess, left, and we're gonna go in and put that sweet baby rays all over the meatballs. Now listen, you use whatever you want, okay? Use whatever. If you have Kraft, use Kraft. Girl, it don't matter. Use Kraft. If you want to make your own, make your own. Bro, it don't matter. Just use some barbecue sauce, okay? And y'all know how we do when we're trying to get it all out. Some of us put a little water in it, shake it up, and get the rest of that out of there. I know you laughing because that's what you do. That's what you do. I know. Put a little water in it, shake it up. But listen, that's when you don't have no more. I got another bottle. What? Who's prepared? This girl. All right, now let me get my spoon, and I'm just gonna stir this, just mix it up so I can see how much more we possibly need in here. And now I'm gonna go in with my grape jelly. Again, this was a used one. So it has about that much left. We're gonna throw all of that in here. Get the rest out. Looks like my mother is here. Hurry, Pooh! It's New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's Eve, you guys. Happy New Year's Eve. I got a little bit more. Y'all know I don't like to waste stuff. I be trying to get all the little extras out of here. I don't know. I just don't like to waste. Alright. And I'm going to open up this other one. And all we're going to do is just mix this up. And I probably used a little less than half of this jar, or maybe half of this jar in there. All right, so then you're just gonna mix it up. So that you can just incorporate that jelly, you know, get it down in there. Definitely need some more barbecue sauce. All right, so New Year!
Jesus Christ!
Yeah. So we're just gonna mix this up, and that's it, you guys. We're gonna put a top on this, and we will come back and show you the final results of our barbecue meatballs. See you back here in just a bit. We are doing a candied bacon wrapped smoky. I know, I said it. Candied bacon wrapped Litl Smoky. Let me show y'all something. These are the Hillshire Farms beef Litl Smokies. They have the beef ones, they have the ones that are the mixture of the beef and pork, but I like the beef, so that's what we roll with. And then we've got some bacon right here, and we're just gonna wrap our Smokies in the bacon, add some Q-tips to close the Q-tips.
Boy, if you don't get
some toothpicks to close it off. We can't, they don't have no ears on it, so we can't really. Anyway, and then we're going to roll this in some brown sugar and bake it off. So let's get started. I've opened up one already, and I just patted it dry with some paper towels. You want to try to get it as dry as possible. And where's my toothpicks? And then so you're just going to take a piece of bacon. This is a few slices of bacon that I just cut. I'm not even going to say half, maybe quarters, so that it's enough to wrap around. Wrap around the Litl Smoky, like so. And then you're just going to take a toothpick and pierce it through. I'm going to do it at an angle, I guess. Like so. Just like so. So I have a baking sheet over here with the cooling racks already on it. I'm going to just sit them there for the time being. And I'm going to go ahead and finish wrapping these. And we will be right back to show you the next step. And then take them out, and that's what they look like. And we're just gonna put them on our cooking sheet with the cooling racks on there. Just a slight little appetizer for New Year's Eve. Slight little some, little some. Little some sweet, little some slight. My mama back there think I'm crazy. You think I'm crazy, Mom?
Girl, you did yourself.
What does that say? Okay. So I'm gonna put these in. My oven is preheated at 375 degrees. I'm gonna finish these off and we'll come back when it's time to put them in the oven. But we got candied, bacon wrapped Little Smokies. We'll be right back. So we're back. This is what it looks like after we've wrapped these Smokies in bacon and shook them around in the brown sugar. And so they're going in the oven at 375 degrees for like 30 to 45 minutes. I'm going to say check them at 30 minutes because it really depends on your oven. We'll be back with the finished look.